What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Fabe here, back with another one, and today I got a special one for you guys. Today we got the Shooting Star Foamposites. Now, these bad boys released back in 2014 in a pack along with the little penny posits, I believe. But due to age and some wear and tear, the soles are all yellowed. But no worry, we got that good old Fabes Sole Sauce, so we're gonna go ahead and ice these bad boys back up to factory perfection. Come with me, I'll show you how.
Now before we start, let's get a quick little overview of the shoes here, just so we can see what condition they're in before we start this process. And from taking a quick look, these shoes are they're in pretty bad shape here actually. I ain't gonna lie, this is gonna be a little tough one. This might take me quite a couple of sessions. But I ain't worried, I'm here to tackle them. And here you go, here's a quick little side profile for you so you can really see how they compare up to each other. As you can see, yellow, yellow. But I'm gonna go ahead and work on the right shoe here, so let's go ahead and get started. Now first things first is we're gonna take our Fabes Sole Sauce and apply it to the affected area only. Now in these Foamposites, that happens to be majority of the sole here, except for that middle ridge area. So go ahead, take your Fabes Sole Sauce, apply it, and then take a paintbrush and smooth it in nice and evenly. Now the trickiest part of icing Foamposites is this middle area there. So just do your best to avoid the carbon fiber plate. But once again, I mean, the Foamposites are perfect to practice on. So, you know, they're virtually error-proof and indestructible. So if you get any on the carbon fiber, it's perfectly fine. If you get any on the Foamposite, it's perfectly fine. But just do your best to avoid it to practice having a steady hand. Now after you sauced up your soles, you want to go ahead and cover them with a clear wrap. Now, as you can see here, I like to use two pieces and have them meet in the middle breaking point of the soles there to give it a nice tight seal. Now what that does, it allows the sauce to stay nice and moist on the soles, which in turn allows you to have a much longer, more effective session. Give it a nice press on the sides there to make sure the wrap is nice and tight. And then you want to go ahead and place them under sunlight or UV light if you have one. Now, if you do have a UV light, you can go ahead and extend your sessions anywhere from 24 to 48 hours straight in a single session, which simply allows you to maximize your restoration time while using the least amount of product possible. Now, after your session is over, simply remove the clear wrap, wash off that remaining sauce, and then compare your results. Now, as you can see here, I like to give it a nice pre-rinse before I give it a scrub down. So I'll pre-rinse it and then I'll scrub it down with any generic cleaner of your choosing. Right now I'm using a Fabes Sole prototype cleaner. Hopefully it comes out in 2023, but you're free to use whatever you want. So yeah, give it a nice thorough scrub down, rinse it off again, dry them off, and then compare your results. And here are the results after just one 48-hour session. Now, as you can see, they are a lot better from where we started, ladies and gentlemen. But they're not done yet. They're icy. They are icy, but they're not done yet. I can get them a lot better, and I'm not satisfied with the results. These are for a customer, so yeah. I'm going to go ahead, give it another session or two, and see what we get here. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, back to step one. Applying that good old Fabes Sole Sauce. And yes, you can do this process as many times as you like to get the desired results that you want. So if you went and did a session and you weren't satisfied with the results, definitely don't give up and just go ahead, do another session, place them on that sunlight UV light, and then see what you get. I've been doing this for going on almost 10 years. And one thing that I constantly tell people is that no two sole restorations are alike. Every sole restoration job is different. Like the time varies. every single job. Like, it might seem like, oh, this one's simple, or this one's not that bad, or this one's this. It literally all depends on the actual wear down of the soles, not just how yellow they are. It also depends on how worn down they are. The more worn down a shoe is, the rougher they are, and the longer the process is going to take. So don't be discouraged if you've been walking around with beaters that you have for 20 years and you weren't able to get them back in one session. I mean, you've been beating them for 20 years. What do you expect? Just keep giving it a go, and don't give up hope. And moving right along, we're on to step 2, covering the soles with that good old clear wrap. Once again, using 2 pieces to create a nice tight seal on the soles there. And then I'm gonna go ahead, place them on the UV light once again, and then see what we get. Now I'm gonna rewind it back for you guys. Here they were after that first 48-hour session. As you can see, they are a lot better and actually are icy. Wearable, actually, ready to go. But I just wasn't satisfied. So here they are after that second session. As you can see, significantly better. Really, really icy, like almost ready to go. Still got those blemishes there, so I'm not happy with them. I like to give that Fabes Sole spit shine. So I went ahead and hit it with another session, and yeah, here are the results of that one. And as you guys can tell, we got them a lot better from where they started. I mean, these things are actually ready to go, but I wasn't happy. So I did one more session to see if I can get that spit shine, and here are the final results. So yeah, this pair took me a total of 4 sessions at 48 hours each session. These things were rough, but as you guys can see, we got them back to factory perfection, ladies and gentlemen, all courtesy of that Fabes Sole Sauce. Now, if you made it this far in the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, for I have plenty more restoration videos to come, as well as doing live stream giveaways that you don't want to miss. So subscribe and tune in. And if you're looking to purchase your bottle of Fabes Sole Sauce, you can do so at www.fabesole.com. Product link is also in the description. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.